Okay, guys, it's time to mix our own colors. Down at the bottom, you have the various hues: yellow, red, magenta, blue, cyan, green, white, black, and gray. You're going to choose any three, please no more than three hues, and mix as many drops as you like to get the color that you love. So here we go. Mine is going to be one blue. I'm thinking like two magentas, and then I'm going to lighten it up with one white. Beautiful. All right. So now I have to write this down somewhere because your job next is to explain to a friend how to get that exact same color. Um, when you guys get together, they're going to go to the website and you're going to say, I have a ratio of two magenta to one blue to one white. If you forget the names magenta and cyan, just use like bright pink and light blue. Okay, we'll get you. All right, now, when you've done that piece, remember, write down your ratio. Come up here and get this magic hex code. It starts with a number sign. It's what we use on internet to get exact colors. And copy that hex code. Great.